Good morning, my dear children. Welcome all to math class. Have you studied the addition table? I told you to study all the addition tables. Have you studied? Yes. Then the addition and subtraction become more easy. If you know the tables well, you can add or subtract the numbers very fastly. Okay, so study again and again, study the tables. No need to recite all the tables in order, isn't it? No need to recite the tables in order. You just know the numbers, just know the answers. That is, same numbers comes. 4 plus 3. Same as 3 plus 4. Just understand that. Okay. Same numbers are there in all the tables. Same numbers comes. 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4. Same. Like that. Then 6 plus 2. Same as 2 plus 6. So you can study one time that numbers. Isn't it? Okay. So study like that. Okay. So it is very simple. And I already told you one trick while adding 9. You all know the trick. Okay, 9 plus 4. It is very easy to add. I told that trick. Okay. Like some other tricks are there. The same numbers. If you need to add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So we know two numbers. 5 plus 5 we know. 4 plus 4 we know. 4 plus 4 8. 5 plus 5 10. We want to add 4 plus 5. So we can use either of these two sum. 4 plus 4 8. So 4 plus 5 is that 8 plus 1 9. Or 5 plus 5 we know that it is 10. 5 plus 5. But here just 4. Just leave 1. That is subtract 1 from the number. That is 10 minus 1. That is 9. So use that type of tricks while adding numbers. Anyway, no need. Not use your fingers for addition. Okay. Okay, today we are going to subtract large numbers. That is 4-digit numbers. Already you know the subtraction rules. You know how to subtract the numbers. And I told you, first write the biggest number. While doing subtraction, write the biggest number first. That is the only thing that you follow while doing subtraction. First write when two numbers are given, you can write the biggest number first. Always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Write the from number first. From, that is the biggest number. Okay, write that number first. Okay, anyway, I just tell the subtraction rule again. So, in your previous classes, you subtract the numbers. Okay, here I am telling another trick. That is, here we are adding the numbers. So, you can get the answer easily. While doing subtraction, we just add the numbers, we will get the answer. Okay, look here. I will show you. First example. Subtract 2375 from 4289. So this is the question. Subtract 2375 from 4289. So which number do you write first? Yes, I told you, always write the biggest number. Subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So, you should write the bigger number first. That is this number, 4289 first. Then, write the second number below the first bigger number. That is 2375. Okay, now subtract. As our addition, we can start from the ones place itself. Okay, subtract 9 minus 5. How will you subtract 9 minus 5? Take 9 numbers in your finger. Isn't it? 5 plus 4, 9. Then from this 9 numbers, you cancel 5. Then remains 4. That is the way you follow for addition, subtraction. Isn't it? So it is very tough. Taking numbers in your fingers and cancel the number from your finger. How will you cancel? How to count the numbers for cancelling that number? It is very tough. Okay, so you just follow this trick. This is very easy. Actually, we are doing subtraction here, but just do the opposite way. That is 9 minus 5. So think like that. From 5 to 9. Count like that. 5 to 9. How many numbers you need to get 9? How many numbers you added to get 9 in this 5? To this 5, how many more numbers needed to become 9? So actually we have 5. We have 5. Then what is 9? 5 plus what is 9? 5 plus, we learn 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So write 4 here. Just count from here to here. Backward. That is from 5 to count like this. Here we have 5. From here onwards count up to 9. That is we need 4 to get 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4. Just add 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, like that. Now 8 minus 7. So just count. What is needed to get 8? 7. We have 7. How many numbers more added to get 8? To the 7. So 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, clear? Now next one. Here is the problem. We know that. You all know that. Can you subtract this 3 from 2? No, never. We can't subtract 3 from 2 because 3 is bigger, 2 is smaller. We can't take 3 from 2. So what we do? Here we are borrowing one number from the nearest number. Borrow 1. 1 from the nearest number. So from this 4, we borrow 1. From this 4, we borrow. We take 1. So from cancel that 4 and take 1 from that 4 and yes, and write that number near to our number, that is 2. Near to that number, we put that 1. We borrow 1 from 4 and we noted that number before 2. So the number becomes 12. Read this number as together. That is 12. 1, 2 is 12. And we borrow 1 from this 4. So here 4 is not there. We borrowed 1. So this 4 becomes 3. Cancel that 4 and write 3 there. And that borrowed 1 is right near to 2. So this number becomes 2. Now can subtract. That is, I told you it is impossible to take 12 in your finger. It is not possible to take 12 numbers in your fingers. Only we have 10 fingers in our hand. So how will you take 12? So think like this. How many more numbers needed to make this 3 become 12? How many more numbers needed to make this 3 become 12? Actually, we have 3. Then add the numbers to this 3 to get 12. So either you can count 3 or use the table. Now you count in your finger. After studying the table, you can easily write the number. So 3. We have 3 in our hand. 3. Now count. Next number onwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers we counted? This 5, this 4. Total 9. So 3 plus 9. We learned that 9 plus 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 plus 9, 12. So write that 9 here. Next 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 or 2 plus what become 3? 2 plus what becomes 3? 2 plus 1. So this is the answer. Here we are doing subtraction, but we added the numbers. Is it easy? Yes, you can follow this method here onwards. Not take the numbers in your fingers. It is impossible. If it is greater than 10, what do you do? If it is 13, 14 like that, then it is not possible to take all the numbers in your fingers. So you can think like this. What number should be added to make that number? Okay, clear? So in this way you can think. You can also check your answer while adding these two numbers. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 3, 12. That 2 is here. 1 is carry over. Then 2 plus 1, 3. That balance 1, 4. So your answer is also correct. Okay, clear? Subtraction is clear? Okay, one more. I will show you one more example. Okay, look at the numbers. 8,452 minus 3,543. Okay, we can subtract 3,543 from 8,452. Okay, now start subtraction from the ones place itself. Look at the numbers. First number 2. Minus 3. Here minus. 2 minus 3. Can you subtract 3 from 2? No. Then what we do? We borrow 1 from the nearest number. From the neighboring number. Okay. Just near number. So here 5. From that 5 we borrow 1. So cancel that 5 and write the number as 4. And we borrow 1. That one. Yes, cancel 2 also. Cancel the number 2. Then write, it becomes 12. This is our borrowed one. So the number becomes 12. Clear? Now subtract. 12 minus 3. Actually, 12 minus 3. So I told you, count from 3 to 12. That is better. Just count from 3 to 12. What number should be added to get 12? What number added to this 3 to get 12? So count. Just count in your fingers. So 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. Okay. 3 plus 9, 12. Next. 5. We cancelled 5 here. So our number is 4. 4 minus 4. Yes. It is very simple. 4 minus 4. 0. Yes. Then next. 4 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 from 4? No, because 5 is bigger than 4. So again we borrow 1 from the nearest number. That is from 8. We borrow 1. So cancel 8 first. Then write that number here. 4 also. Here 7. 8 becomes 7. We borrowed 1. Then that borrowed 1 write above this number, that is 4. Actually we have 4, but we borrow 1 from. So it becomes 14. Okay, clear? Now subtract. 14 minus 5. Actually subtraction 14 minus 5. But we can add 5 to what? 5 to what becomes 14. Yes. 5 plus 5, 10. We know that 5 plus 5, 10. Then what about 14? 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12. Then 5 plus 8, 13. Then 5 plus 9. 9 plus 5, 4 becomes. 4 comes. So 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Now here 7. We have 7. Not 8. We borrowed 1. So 7 minus 3, 4. So this is the answer. 4,909. So you follow the same step, borrowing that step. But you can add the numbers from here to the. Okay, clear? Is it easy? I think it is easy. Otherwise, you can't subtract the numbers correctly using your fingers. If you use your fingers for subtraction, it is more tough. This is very easy. Just count. Count from the given number to above. Okay, clear? Okay, so do subtraction like this. Okay, I will give you more homework. Okay. Okay, I will send you the homework questions. So try to do like this. Addition is clear? Okay. That's all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.